This is an abandoned golf course, and today I'm gonna be riding around on my pit bike and I'm gonna explore this whole golf course. There's lakes, bridges, and so much more out here to explore. I'm gonna strap on the helmet and let's go ride. So about 5 to 7-ish years ago, a house building company actually bought all this property and shut the golf course down. Well, they built houses on one side of it, but this side, they just left how it was. And so I actually found this place probably 3 or 4 years ago. We actually used to come and ride pit bikes here a lot. And then we got in trouble. Oh, look at this. This has got to be a safety hazard. Should I even ride on this? Oh my God. This is so cool. So yeah, we were riding back here, and as you can tell, there's houses pretty close. And let's just say someone got mad. It didn't go anywhere crazy. They were just kind of yelling at me, and dude, this is so sick. And I haven't been back here since, so I haven't been back here in forever. There's a building. Let's go check that shit out. Oh, there's a dog and a lady. I was gonna go check the building out, and then that lady scared me. Let's just keep going back here, I guess, because it goes, like you can see, it goes so far back here. It's really cool, actually. There was a bunch of stuff left over, just random stuff. Okay, so obviously this used to be a sand pit, but imagine like a big ass bonfire right here. Dude, let's burn blast this. Oh my God. Oh my, I literally stopped in my tracks. Oh God, it's deep. I'm gonna push this up. I mean, you can't really do anything with this because of all the trees, but if you cleared it out, you can make like a big like circle berm. Oh my God, there's also potholes everywhere. That was scary. This is sick. I'm gonna head back there. I'm gonna cut across. Hopefully I don't hit a pothole. They cleared a lot of this out. Look at this. It used to be like as stairs, I guess. The trails are so cool through here, but all this is asphalt. So like people come back here and ride their golf carts or 4-wheelers. I've seen a lot of tracks through the golf course. There's another bridge. That's a main road. Oh, look at this. Woo! Got like a little mound. Oh! Let's go, baby! Woohoo! Oh, look, there's another sand pit, and this one doesn't have shit in it. Burn blast. Oh, dude, it's so much fun. Oh, it's so deep. It's so deep. Oh, cut across here to the other side. Not much back here. Oh, that's the tennis court. This is sick. Oh, I gotta be careful. There might be nails and shit on here. Okay, so I remember this last time I was here. It used to be a lot more grown up. They've cut it down since. They might be starting to prepare the land for more building. But when we came here, we had to enter that way, and then there was nets everywhere still. All the nets were still here. It was kind of gross, but this is, they cleared this out. Wheelie practice on the tennis courts? Oh God, I keep going that way. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, hell yeah. Oh God, I got ants all over me. Oh God, we might need to get out of here. Let's take this way out, see what's back here. Oh my God, nope. You know what, f it. What is that? Oh, it's old lights. They're like old stadium lights. See, there's just random shit everywhere. Let's keep going. What's back here? A rock? Ooh, dodge and weave, temple run, baby, temple run. Well, I don't think we can go anymore. This is cool though. There's the main road. Quick turnaround. Ooh, that was smooth. Smooth move. Yeah, they need like a pit bike enduro cross. I feel like that'd be really fun. Ow, here's a lake. Ew, that's gross, dude. All right, let's go back. I want to check out the other side. Oh, I didn't even see this. What's over here? I tried to wheelie. So this must have been like where they teed off or some shit. I don't know. I'm not a golfer. I've never even played golf in my life. Misshift. Woo! Ah, I suck. Yeah, so I really don't like coming out here when it's late like this because people are walking and I don't want to piss anybody off. But if you guys want to see more golf course videos, let me know. I can definitely come back out here. Dude. I'm gonna come out here and light all this on fire. That'd be so much fun. Just a big ass bonfire. Like, dude, look at this. This must have been all the stuff they cleared. They got a lawn chair right there too. There was a building that they crushed. Huh, that's interesting. You know, I wish this golf course wasn't in such bad shape because like, there'd probably be some cool stuff to ride, like berms and stuff in the sand and other jumps. But it's in such bad shape, you can really only come out here and cruise around and explore. However, this place is a lot of fun for some pit bike tech. I will say that. This place is perfect for it. You just can't see anything. I just don't want to hit a pothole and die. You know, we actually brought out the big bikes one time here and jumped all the way down there, so it was really cool. There's a lady walking her dogs, but I'm gonna come back and ride that later. This is so cool. I'm gonna come back here and find stuff to hit and stuff to ride and come out here and film another video. But yeah, look, there's ledges right here too that we can jump. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come out here and find jumps on the golf course. That's the goal. We're gonna spend some time out here one day and we're gonna find some good jumps to hit. We're gonna go up this. Woo! God, the grass is so tall, it's so scary. See, like, I guess this used to be a sand pit too, and then now that it's just pine trees. We're going back to the other side now. This is so crazy how much they cleared out. It's really cool actually. But it seems like they weed-eated all of this side, and that side is the side with all the jumps and stuff on it. So hell, we might have to come here and weed-eat ourselves. But right now, we're going into this trail that I found completely on accident when I first began coming out here. And it's like perfect single track. Come out here, oh, a tree fell. Well, I'm supposed to go up that way, but let's just keep going this way, I guess. Oh, it's so thick. Sand's so thick. Oh, it opens up down there though. Let's just keep going. Some foliage. Go. Stuck on a tree. Like, where the hell am I? It just opens up back here. Oh my God. Dude, that'd be a gnarly hill climb up there. This sand is so thick, dude. I'm literally having to stand up. Let's keep on going. Let's go up this way. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. The sand's too thick. Ugh. Oh, look. Lake. That's sick. There's a tire out there. This is so cool. I gotta come back here. Oh my goodness. I'm rolling backwards. All right, I think it's time to go. It's getting late. I need to get home. Woo! So many bugs out here too. I'm getting out of here. I don't even know where I came from. I'm just gonna go down this way, I guess. Oh yeah, I see my tracks. But yeah, I need to come back at an earlier time because then there won't be people walking around. That's a tree. There won't be people walking around and walking their dogs and stuff, and I don't want to be rude. So this was a straightforward path, like unlike the other one. The other one was like so out of the way. All right, let's get the hell out of here. This trail right here is so cool, but it looks like it's like collapsed over there. Looks like there's like a landslide or something. Circling back this way so I can check out this building. I never got to see it earlier. This looks like it's the only like building left. It looks like there's like wasps everywhere. Oh, it's a bathroom. Let's check it out, I guess. I'm kind of scared. I see a grill in there. I see the stall. Ooh. Oh, everyone stole everything. Everyone came in here and just ripped all the copper out. Damn, there's a lot of nasty shit in there. And I think I'm gonna go home now. If you're like, Ryan, this golf course is stupid, and I think you're stupid too, well, that's fine. But I think I'm gonna come back here either way because this place is just so much fun to explore and ride around. And especially if you bring a friend out here and play pit bike tag or race out here, it's so much fun. Hell, we might need to get a big group out here and just have a big golf course race. But yeah, I'm getting out of here, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.